Hey everyone, welcome back to ZNS Health and Wellness. Ever wondered how to quickly lower your creatinine levels and supercharge your kidney health? Well, stick around because in today's video, we're revealing a powerful tea that might be your secret weapon. Did you know that according to the National Kidney Foundation, 1 in 3 American adults is at risk for kidney disease? This isn't just a random fact, it's a wake-up call. But don't worry, we're here to help you take action. Today, we're diving deep into natural remedies to lower creatinine and improve kidney function. Imagine sipping on a delicious natural tea that not only supports your kidneys, but also helps reduce creatinine levels. So what's the magic tea we're talking about? Keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to drink to give your kidneys a natural boost. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. 1. Let's kick things off with our first superstar, moringa tea. This tea is a game changer, especially if you or someone you know has diabetes. But what makes moringa so special? Moringa, also known as Moringa oleifera, hails from India and is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's not just hype, this plant is packed with benefits. For those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, moringa tea is a miracle worker thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. It's loaded with compounds like flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help reduce inflammation, a key factor in kidney health. Plus, it helps lower blood pressure and is rich in antioxidants. Next up, number 2, we have dandelion leaf and root tea. This isn't just any tea, it's perfect for lowering creatinine and fighting fluid retention. Dandelion or Taraxacum officinale might look like a common weed, but it's a treasure trove of health benefits. You can easily find it in tea bags at supermarkets or herbal stores. It contains chicoraic and chlorogenic acids, which help regulate blood sugar levels and provide a powerful antioxidant boost. It's also great for lowering blood pressure and acts as a natural detoxifier and diuretic. Now let's spice things up with our third pick, ginger and turmeric tea. This dynamic duo is a must-have, especially if you're dealing with CKD. Ginger is amazing for its anti-inflammatory effects, managing diabetes, and helping with fluid retention. Turmeric, with its #1 component curcumin, not only fights inflammation but also shows promise in reducing proteinuria levels in CKD patients. Add a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric tea. This simple addition enhances curcumin absorption, making your tea even more effective. Moving on, we have the vibrant and tangy hibiscus tea. Known for its beautiful color and delicious taste, hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants and can help lower high blood pressure, a common issue for many CKD patients. Hibiscus tea isn't just tasty, it's a potent medicinal plant. Regularly drinking this tea can help manage blood pressure and reduce strain on your kidneys. Hibiscus tea can be easily found in supermarkets, making it a convenient choice. Last but certainly not least, we have green tea. This classic tea is a true antioxidant powerhouse, perfect for daily consumption. Rich in polyphenols, especially EGCG, green tea supports kidney health, heart health, and even aids in weight loss. To maximize the benefits, add a squeeze of lemon juice to your green tea. This simple addition can make the antioxidants 5 times more bioavailable, ensuring you get the most out of every cup. So which tea will you try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on natural remedies and kidney health. Let's keep exploring these amazing teas together and stay on the path to better health.